Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But what if I told you that with just $20 to $100, you can begin building real wealth today? Not hype, not risky bets, not complicated systems. Just simple, powerful strategies that real people, working jobs, raising families, building their lives, are using right now to create long-term wealth. If you've ever felt behind, overwhelmed, or confused about where to start, this video is going to change everything for you. Here's the truth nobody likes talking about. Most people aren't failing at investing because they're lazy or bad with money. They're failing because the system makes it complicated. Think about it. Too many choices, confusing vocabulary, fear of losing money, feeling too late, and thinking you need a lot of money to begin. You've been told investing is for experts, or wealthy people, or people who magically just know what they're doing. That ends today, because I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with as little as $20 to $100, even if you're starting from zero. Before we go step by step, let me show you what small investing actually does over time. If you invested $50 a month into a simple S&P 500 ETF, after 10 years, around $9,300. After 20 years, around $31,000. After 30 years, around $79,000. You invested $18,000. Compound interest built the rest. Now look at $100 a month. 10 years, approximately $18,600. 20 years, approximately $62,000. 30 years, approximately $158,000. You invested $36,000. The market added over $120,000 on its own. This is why small amounts matter. Not because they're huge, but because they're consistent. When I first started learning about wealth building, I thought I needed thousands of dollars before it counted. But I later learned this. People who invest small amounts consistently almost always outperform people who invest large amounts sporadically. Consistency builds wealth, not perfection. Now, here is a 6-step solution to get you started. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. First, you need a place to invest. Opening a brokerage is quick, free, and simple. Beginner-friendly options include Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. Robinhood and Fidelity are the easiest for beginners. You enter your basic info, the same as opening a bank account, and in minutes, your investing account is ready. Step 2. Understand what you're investing in. This is where most beginners get overwhelmed, so let's make it simple. Stocks. You're buying one piece of one company. Higher risk, higher reward, requires research. ETFs. You're buying a basket of companies all at once. Dozens or thousands of companies in one share. Lower risk, more stable, beginner-friendly. This is why most beginners start with ETFs. You don't need to research everything inside them. Professionals already did that for you. Step 3. Choose one beginner ETF. With $20 to $100, you don't need a huge portfolio. You need one smart, diversified ETF to build your foundation. Beginner-friendly options. VTI, Total U.S. Market. VOO, S&P 500. SCHD, High Quality Dividends. VXUS, International exposure, optional. If you're just getting started, VTI or VOO is the simplest, most effective choice. One investment, one habit, one path toward financial peace. Step 4. Invest on a schedule. Here's a secret wealthy people understand. You don't need to time the market. Trying to buy the dip is how beginners lose money. Buying consistently, every week or every month, is how beginners build money. Consistency beats timing every time. Step 5. Automate everything. This step will save your financial life. Automation. Set your brokerage to automatically invest $20 weekly, $50 weekly, or $100 monthly, whatever works for you. Automation removes emotion. It removes inconsistency. It creates wealth while you live your life. And finally, step 6. Stay in long enough to win. Most people lose in the stock market because they quit too early. They panic. They pull out. They let fear take over. But the people who build real wealth, they stay in the game. Your job isn't to predict the market. Your job is to stay consistent. If you take anything from this entire video, let it be this. You do not need a lot of money to start investing. You just need your first $20 to $100 and the courage to take that very first step. Comment below and tell me, how much are you starting with? $20, $50, or $100? Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe so you never miss a new wealth-building lesson. And if you want to go deeper, I linked my favorite beginner finance books down below, the ones that actually helped me build confidence and clarity. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, The Simple Path to Wealth, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Using my Amazon affiliate links supports the channel at no extra cost to you. You've got this. Your future is worth investing in. And I'll be right here with you, every step of the way.